Welcome to AzarPixel's YouTube channel. Today we're showing you how to repair an Elation Pro Color Chorus light. Start by diagnosing the fixture to pinpoint the issue. Next, remove the housing screws and carefully open the unit. Disconnect the wiring and ports attached to the board. Then desolder and remove the 24-volt power cables. Next, expose the strand inside the wire. Clean the chassis and check the thermal paste or pads before reassembly. Now route the power cables through the chassis opening. Position it on the board and solder it securely in place. Reinstall and fasten the board. Reconnect all main components and close the unit. Finally, power it up, test the fixture, and it should be ready to use again. If you need any AV equipment repaired, contact AzarPixel today.